Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. So in today's video we will learn how to use the Postman project. So first of all I will open this Postman project. Postman software from by the you can download it from anywhere. It's a free for everyone. So first we open the Postman, let it get it open. It will take some time to load. So this is the Postman. So Postman for basically we use to execute the web APIs we have, you want to test your web APIs. So web APIs basically are the end-to-end interface. So it in order to get data from one machine to another. So web API is basically used in code or anywhere, any system you want to. For example, you want to get the data from the Linux version to your Windows. So how would you get that your project? Or for example, you have a project for in form of Python, and then you want to get data from the Python to your project that is in Java. So how will you get it? You will build a web API. Web API will help you to web API will help you to get your code from one system to another system. So let's start, and let me show you how you can execute your web APIs. First of all, you will have to log in your project. You have to log in the Postman. So in Postman you have different tabs. For first of all we start with home. In home tab you will get her home, and then there are work. This is a home tab. So it give you option to create team, get started with Postman and product and different type of, and explore popular APIs, Twitter APIs, and these are you can execute also Twitter APIs that are open source. So let's go to your, and then there is other tab that is called workspace. In your in from here you can search your workspace or create a new workspace. So here is our workspace. Yeah. In workspace there is a collections that are there's a collection tab. In collection tab you will have different web APIs. For example, in my collection there is a ML API server. So in ML API server we have a login API. So this is a login API, web API. So this is the URL for the API, and then I'll give him v1.auth. So then when you hit, and its type is Postman. When you go to the headers, in header you have a different body structure for the JSON, in JSON, or in form data or XML or raw or binary or GraphQL. Then in prerequisites, and then tests, and then pref params. In params you will give your parameters here to execute. So let's if we execute this word, let's see what result we will get. It's sending request, and then here you can see could not send request. Basically this server is not up now. So view in console, we will try to understand what's the error. Then there is another API that is called localhost 88. It will run on my localhost API. So this is its URL, and then it's give it the login credentials. Then we have header. In header we have given him the cookies that are necessary to for a login. Authorization, in authorization tab we have the authorization version. We will give him the auth 0 or auth 1, and then value, and will give a value, and then is the body tab. In body type I will give him the username and the password. So this is my username, that is called test g1 at testg1.com, and then there's a test password for me. And let's see if we try to hit send, we will try to send request here. Let's see what we get here. So let me close it down there. Yes, there is no request and no response here, as it is not working. And then there are many different local host API, this and this and that. You can see, as you can see this, I have many web APIs that I worked on. These are from my previous project. So this is here different APIs. This is copy of that API. Here, here, you know. Then there is a APIs, and create an API, and then in the environments, and then there are mock servers. In mock server you can create a mock server. It will help you to create a mock server. Basically, you create an environment or mock an environment. So it will help, it will give you an environment like in production. So it is, usually these are very helpful when you are doing development. So that's how you work, that's how the things go, and that's how you will use Postman. That's all for today. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video and share it with your friend. Press the bell icon so you can receive the notification whenever I upload my new video. Take care. Bye bye.